final moment I'm going to mention is Sara becoming a mum to our smart, sassy, funny and beautiful little girl. The physical, emotional and lifestyle sacrifices that you have made and continue to make every day are ones I will never ever be able to repay, but ones that I will give my all for every single day for our family to do so. You're inspiring, strong, very patient, caring, determined, funny, passionate. All of the words you said about me today, none of my friends recognised. And you make me a better person when we are together. Thank you for being everything you are to our family, and it makes me so proud to be your husband.
Well, it's true to say that all good weddings begin with a love story, but Sara and Andrew's love story actually began with a wedding. It was October 2019, and Sara was a bridesmaid when her cousin Lauren married Ewan, and Andrew was a groomsman. Now, Lauren placed Sara at a table between Hobson and Watson, the two single groomsmen who had both been described to her as wild. Just so there was no pressure, Sara's family started to place bets on who, if anyone, she might like that night. And of course, they're all still claiming that they're the only ones that backed Andrew. Sara thought Andrew was upbeat, full of good energy, fun, and she liked that he had a bit of a twinkle about him. And Andrew's first impressions, well, Sara was beautiful, exciting, and had really great chat. And soon the joke they'd made about Andrew visiting Sara in Bristol became a reality. He arrived in Bristol on bonfire night. Now, such a great time was had that Sara and Andrew started travelling every weekend to see one another. And when Boris announced the first lockdown in March 2020, Sara packed up and travelled to Scotland to be with Andrew for that 3 weeks it was due to last.
How much was that? Cheers! Cheers, guys. Beautiful.
Sara moved in on Thursday, the 26th of March, the very first day of lockdown. Now, that gave Andrew and Sara the chance to discover all sorts of things about one another. For example, Sara, a natural morning person, learned that Andrew is not. Andrew is the man of action, while Sara takes her time to research. She loves to share her food, while Andrew's now been persuaded that he also loves to share his food. Sara says she is the yin to Andrew's yang. But in all the ways that really matter, Andrew and Sara are perfectly aligned.
I think we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
There you go, guys. Here we are.
Your love is like hard medicine. There's nothing better than you, my dear, when you're next to me. Or hard medicine. There's nothing better than you.
And then it explodes.
Your love is like.
I can't wait to see you walking down the aisle today. I'm really excited, just looking forward to celebrating, laughter, dancing, being jolly and merry and just having a nice time with all our friends and family.
Something about the look in your eyes that says there's nowhere I would rather be than here with me in the sunshine. It's no lie. You can read me like a melody. Ain't no single doubt in my mind. It's no lie.
Do you want me to take anyone?
Do what you do, what you do, what you do when you show me too much.
I promise to always be there for you, to be your teammate, to cook you tasty food, and always be your dancing partner. I promise to make you laugh, cheer you up when you're sad, and always provide the best cuddles. I promise to be the best parent I can be, to support, to care for, and to love you with all my heart.
I promise to always be there for you, to be your teammate, to eat your tasty food, and always be your dancing partner. I promise to make you laugh, cheer you up when you are sad, and always provide the best cuddles. I promise to be the best parent I can be, to support, care for, and love you with all my heart.
Hi, Andrew.
Yes. Andrew, I'm trying to create a whole mood here.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. That's radio. I, Andrew, accept you, Sara, in marriage as my lawfully wedded wife. And as I give you this ring, I give you my heart to keep. We're on.
I, Sara, accept you, Andrew, in marriage as my lawfully wedded husband, and as I give you this ring, I give you my heart to keep.
Andrew and Sara. To declare that yes, you're married.
I'd call Sara like an optimist. So Sara is great fun, has loved to party, like buckets of absolute vodka and tonic usually. That's her drink of choice with a bit of lime. And I say that as in, so before we go out, for example, we're due to go out at 7 and she thinks we've got a lot of time to do a lot of things and then we're always late because we don't have that much time. But then we get there and we just smash it out and we just make the best of every moment that we can.
For years we wondered what kind of woman could handle Andy's chaos, and then along came Sara.
Comes the wedding day and we're doing the bridesmaids and ushers photos. And Lauren wanted a picture with her in the middle, ushers on the side, bums out, kilts up. And obviously Andrew was very quick to oblige, arse out, but he obviously wanted to add his own special touch, and so his willy was straight between his legs. The photographer went wild. That camera was clicking like mad, and I was like, do you know what? He is funny.
Not only did she take it all in her stride, she even made a tough decision to move her entire life away from her friends and family, from bustling Bristol to the central hub of the University of Fairplay.
As soon as we met Andrew, we all knew that he was a person and totally worth the wait.
The right person brings you a sense of calm and well-being, and that's very much what I feel with Andrew. He is very much my rock, my soulmate. He brings so much fun, so much energy, and yeah, I'm so proud to call him my husband.
Dearest Sara, on your wedding day, watching you grow into the strong, determined, kind and compassionate woman you are today has been one of my greatest joys.
I'm so proud of the woman you've become,
The lovely mama to Evie and the gorgeous wife to your now new husband, Andrew.
God's here.